Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing any case or screen protector so you can see the damage clearly. Once done, lay the handset on a soft cloth under bright, indirect light. This reveals whether bleeding is from edge pressure, a cracked digitizer, or internal panel damage. Carefully press around the frame to see if the discoloration spreads. That tells you if it's a loose frame versus a failing OLED layer. Now grab tools and proceed cautiously. You should test the screen first with full white, black, and color patterns to map affected pixels. This diagnostic shows whether bleeding moves with pressure. Then make sure battery is disconnected. You don't want shorts. Next, remove screws and use plastic picks to separate the bezel. Work slowly to avoid tearing flex cables. Once open, check display adhesive and connector seating. A small lift or misaligned panel often causes light bleed. If you see dents, note there. You now reseat the display or replace the assembly if connectors or the panel are damaged. Align the screen, apply new adhesive strips, and reconnect the battery. Once reassembled, apply even, gentle pressure across the panel to ensure uniform bonding, then test with diagnostic images again. If bleed remains, it likely requires a replacement OLED/LCD because internal layers are compromised. If unsure, stop and consult a professional. Attempting deep repairs without experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.